Hello students, today we solve a very conceptual question which came up in JEE Advanced 2015. Let's see the question first. Look at the denominator of the function f dot x is equal to this, that is 2 plus sine to the power 4x pi x. Obviously this is a decreasing function in the interval of half to 1, and here given integration half to 1. So we consider x belongs to half to 1, and in this interval this function is decreasing, that is this function give the maximum value at this point half, and that will be equal to, if you put x is equal to half here, then you will have it is less than 3. This is the maximum value of this function, and it gives the minimum value at the point x is equal to 1. If you put here x is equal to 1, then you will have 2. It implies 1/3 less than equal to 1 by 2 plus sine to the power 4 pi x less than equal to half. This is the properties of inequalities. Now multiplying each term of these inequalities by 192 x cube, okay, that is 192 x cube by 3 less than equal to 192 x cube whole divided by 2 plus sine to the power 4 pi x less than equal to 192 x cube by 2. You always remember x belongs to half to 1, that is x is always positive. So the inequalities, the sign of inequality remain unchanged. This implies 64 x cube less than equal to, here given f dot x is equal to this, so we replace here by f dot x less than equal to here 96 x cube. Okay, now taking integration having limit half to x dx, integration half to x dx, and integration half to x dx. Okay, this implies again we are integrating here, that is 64 by 4 means 16 x to the power 4 over limit half to x less than equal to here f of x minus f of half less than equal to, if we divide 96 by 4, then it will be equal to 24 x to the power 4 and over limit half to x. This implies 16 x to the power 4 minus half to the power 4, this 16, that will be equal to 1 less than equal to f of x, and f of half is equal to 0 here given, so we don't write here. This is equal less than equal to 24 x to the power 4 minus 24 into 1 by 2 to the power 4 means 16. Now this implies 16 x to the power 4 minus 1 less than equal to f of x less than equal to 24 x to the power 4 minus 3 by 2. Okay, now we see here we have to determine integration half to 1 fx dx, that is taking limit integration half to 1 dx, integration half to 1 dx, and again here integration half to 1 dx. Okay, it implies 16 whole divided by 5 x to the power 5 minus x over half to 1 less than equal to half to 1 f of x dx less than equal to 24 divided by 5 x to the power 5 minus 3 by 2 x over a half to 1. It implies 16 by 5 minus 1 minus 16 into 1 by 32 by 5 plus half less than equal to half to 1 f of x dx less than equal to 24 by 5 into 1 minus 3 by 2 minus 24 by 5 into 1 by 32 minus 3 by 2 into 1 by 2. Okay, then it implies it will be 26 by 10 less than equal to half to 1 f of x dx less than equal to, here it will be 78 by 20, that is 2.6 greater than equal to half to 1 f of x dx less than equal to 3.9. okay, so let's see the options which match with this result, that is the lowest value here m is equal to 1, always 1, 2.6 always greater than 1. okay, which is the nearest value of 2.6 is 1 and m is 22, here 3.9, 0 is less than this and half is also less than 3.9, 24 is the farthest point of 2.9 and nearest point is 12. So this is equal to less than equal to 12 and greater than equal to 1. That will be the correct answer. So D is the right option, right?